Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Roborock Qrevo Curv. So whether you should purchase it or skip it, this is what we will be finding out in this video. So over here, as you can see that currently I'm on the official landing page of Roborock Qrevo Curv, and over here if I look at the feature, you will get the dual anti-tangle system in it, industry's first adaptive lift chases, and 1800 and 500 18,500 PA of hyperforce. It has multifunctional dock 3.0 flex arm technology. So you can read the information that is given on this page, and if I talk about the review, you can go to Reddit, and here you can see the information what people are saying about it, what are their opinion about this new product, are they willing to purchase it or not. I will also put the best buying link of it down in the description since it is new, that's why the reviews are not available. But in my opinion, this one is good because most of the reviews are quite good. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.